This isn't your average potato salad. Today we are making the ultimate creamy version with a smoky, salty twist. Let's get into it with Claudie Cooks. Woohoo! Let's get some garlic ready to be roasted until they're nice and caramelized and soft in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes until they are soft and tender. Let's hit it with some olive oil, nice big glug, salt, black pepper. Let's boil our potatoes in with a jug of water, enough to cover our potatoes. I'm using Maris Piper and they've been washed and cleaned already. So in we go. I'm boiling them in the skin so that they don't mash out when I'm cooking them. And then I'll just take the skins off once they're cooked. And we're going to let those boil for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are nice and tender to a knife. When you pierce the knife in, it goes in really easily, no resistance. The same with a fork. And for some flavoring, you're in Claudie Cook's kitchen, so you're going to get flavor. And that's some spring onion and some garlic in, and we're going in with some stock Maggi cube. We're just going on with a touch more salt. See that? It's gone right through without any resistance. Okay, now we're just going to drain those. Before we let those potatoes cool, we're just going to add a tablespoon of pickled juice on here just to get an extra bit of flavor. We're going to add 3 eggs to a pan of cold water, and we're going to bring this to the boil. And then once it's boiled, just going to turn the heating off, cover it, and let it stay in the hot water for 12 minutes to get perfectly cooked eggs for potato salad. Our pan is nice and hot. Let's get our bacon on and get them nice and crispy. Time to give our eggs a little ice bath. Right, and that's just going to keep them nice and cool so they stop cooking, so we can get our shells off nice and easily. Let's remove the skins from our potato, and hopefully there will be a nice flavor that penetrated the potatoes with the pickle juice. It's still very hot, so don't burn yourself. Let's chop 2 stalks of celery that is washed and dry, and some chives. And we're going to crumble some feta cheese. But I'm just going to mash one of the egg just to add a bit more creaminess from the egg. The secret to this creamy salad base for a potato salad is roasted garlic. It adds a depth that regular onion, in my opinion, just cannot match. So in with our roasted garlic. You can use as much or as little as you want here. I'm going in with just this, a few more from the smaller bunch. Just going to mash it out. Oh wow, this smells amazing. Can you smell that? Mayo, sour cream. Nice and simple ingredients that's going to pack a lot of creaminess and richness. Look at that. In with our celery. I almost forgot my Dijon mustard. I'm going in with 2 teaspoons. I'm using 2 because I like the flavor. Pinch of salt. And a sprinkling of black pepper. I've added some of this in there, about a tablespoon. And you can use honey as well. Right now we're going to give this a mix before we transfer this over onto our cooked and cooled potato. I'm giving that a good mix to combine, and I've added a bit more salt and black pepper, and just a little tip, add a bit of squeeze of lime juice or a bit of apple cider vinegar. It truly lifts the flavor. Perfect. Let's plate up. This has been resting in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Crispy bacon. Feta cheese. And that's how Claudie Cook's elevation takes place. So if you love this elevation, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of Claudie Cook's summer favorites. Enjoy. Let's do a quick taste test for you on my elevated potato salad. Bite for you and a bite for me. Oh my goodness. Honestly, the flavor is absolutely popping. It's really creamy, silky, and that beautifully soft but yes textured potato. The eggs, the crunch from the celery, divine. And that garlic, that secret ingredient, that roasted garlic, it takes your potato salad to a next level. And the beautiful hum of that chive, that's giving a spring onion and a milder onion flavor. It's absolutely delicious. Make sure you get this as one of your side dishes for the summer. See you in the next video.
Claudie Cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices.